That's how fast you're going. Good morning everyone, welcome to another video of Hoodstig. Hope everyone's really well. Don't forget to like and comment to win yourself Hoodstig merch. And today's winner is Luke H22 from Wales. So we're going to send him a merch right now. So in today's video, we're going to jump in one of our mates, Skoda Octavia Vrs. It's going to be a mad PLV drive. So stay tuned on this one because it's going to be interesting as well. What is this?
That's a Octavia Vrs. It's an estate family car. Everything's stock apart from the engine. So basically I was looking for a turbo petrol car. Out of nowhere I'm seeing this car. It's the same engine in the Cupra, the 180. And I was like, it's an estate. I love estate, so let's go for it.
You know when you first got it, was it standard?
Actually, there was a few bits which you can, I'll show them to you. Yeah, that boost gauge actually was there. There were some mods which the other owner didn't know about it because he got the car part exchange and he said that it's too old for his lot. So I had this coming with the car, Pro Alloy intercooler, and he didn't even knew about it. Proper good. I never seen the car like overheating or anything. Yeah, everybody saw this car, he knows that, send it. Most of the parts that you see is outdated on myself. Ram air induction, I got that bare cheap. It was from a Cupra that was on her way to scrap and he asked like £20 for it, with the heat shield and everything, and with the map. And I was like, let's go for it. I had a ECS fuel pressure regulator before, which I swapped it with the original one because most of the people that recommended the original one, they better.
Stock turbo?
Yeah, it's still the KO3S on these is Kia. So when I got the car, I went straight for dyno because when I've seen the mods and everything, I thought it's not stock, like it's definitely not stock. 212. I've seen that people can get these up to 260. After that, you need to change the rods. So I was like, we can go a little bit.
What is it now?
It should be maybe 240. But a big difference that I made is the exhaust. It was a stock exhaust before, and now it's a 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch all the way. I don't know if it's too much. If I want to like push more power, I think it's recommended, isn't it? The sound of the exhaust is really nice. Got flames now, yeah, that's an extra.
Is it unlowering springs or coilovers?
Coilovers. AP Racing, they're really comfortable, man. Yeah, she sticks in the curb. Yeah, and also I got a short shifter now, but it's but it's just that plate is not on the gearbox, but it still feels like smooth.
They're stock, them discs and calipers.
Yeah,
much bigger than the TT.
I think 325 on the front, but that's the next mod.
Okay, quick start up. So what?
I know, right? This is estate.
Wow, man.
Sometimes when you change the gears, you can hear like a loud pop. That's the flame. That's a big road.
It's so good.
It was like straight, isn't it?
It's not too crazy, it's not just this perfect. Wow. didn't think it was gonna handle that well.
Yeah, you don't expect. That's the thing. You don't expect that.
Were they loving it, man?
Enjoy the life.
Yeah. Nice, man. Sounds so good as well.
If you go like fifth gear,
Yeah.
that's it. Put the cruise control.
Yeah. Oh, you got cruise control.
No, it
No
it's a this
way.
day. And then just enjoy the car. And then fuck it. That's it.
Sorry, man. Standard clutch.
I think it came with a ceramic one.
That's what I think.
Because you know what, when the car is cold, in the first like few miles,
Yeah, yeah.
it kind of slips.
Yeah, yeah.
Then when the car heats and the gearbox heats, I mean, you see how many burnouts and
Yeah,
stuff
yeah,
I'm doing.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
the clutch is fine, man. Like, what the fuck?
Wow. Yeah. This is a proper pre-road car, you know.
Yeah.
It feels like a LSD, you know.
Yep. I thought it's like a.
I know.
Yeah,
And this. That boost comes in around 2,000, 3,000.
Oh, just watch the boost.
Oh, okay.
The boost is like instant, mate. Like, yeah.
Oh,
That's it.
wow. So smooth. Wow.
What I love
Wow.
are the pops when you change the gear. There's like a big flame when you change the gear, man. It looks so nice in the night. We forgot to say like the mileage on it.
171,000.
Yeah, I got the car with 150.
You done 20,000 on this already?
Oh, mate, it's your turn now.
You want me to have a
Yeah.
first gear? Yeah. Wow, that's a short shift.
Yeah.
The door is so small as well. Wow. Nice. Oh man, I love it already.
Just go slower.
Yeah,
Put it in
yeah.
second.
Yeah.
And just go.
You sure, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, second, yeah, yeah. That's what it feels like. You see what I mean?
so bad,
Yeah. You're going way faster.
Because it got so much space here.
Yeah, yeah. I feel so confident when driving though.
Yeah, you don't feel anything loose. Like,
No, no,
you
no.
know, if you turn right, it will go right.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see.
DSG.
No lag. There's no lag.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
shocked.
Yeah.
This is third gear now. Foot down. Already there.
She wants to, you know, yeah.